Okay, super quick tire review, wear, characteristics of a MotoZ GPS. I just did a quick, very quick, just over 2 weeks, Phoenix to San Francisco to New York, back to Phoenix for a magazine article. And I picked these tires so I could just put them on and forget about them. I got them the day before I left. I mounted them in the garage. So I'm sure you're familiar with them. So that's the GPS, the front, and that's Angus the dog, wagging his tail, and that's the rear. So let's see what we got. So absolute no BS wear characteristics on 70, I think it was right around 7,400 miles. So here's a mic, 0, take it in, and depth, and I've got 6.48 left. So the stock these come with is 12.5, 12.50. So it's very slightly, well, right around 50%. 50% wear in 7,500 miles. So you can figure out what you want on that. But if you're riding around the country, riding around the world, and you get 7,400 miles out of a tire and you still have that much tread left, then you're going to run it to what? Well, you figure out your percentages, but if there's only 50% wear, generally riding around the world, I'd run a tire down to about 20 to 30%, something in that range. The wear bar is right here. If I take it right off the wear bar, right there, then that's what I'm at. Okay, that's at the wear bar. All right, let's go have a look at the front. Okay, same deal on the front, 0. Take a measurement. 5.09, and the stock measurement is 7.25. So it's used what? 2.15, 2.16. So nowhere near even half wear on the front. So like I say, you guys can figure out your own numbers, but that's the actual wear on. It was like I say, I think it was 15 days, and it was a very quick 7,400 miles, and it was the hottest summer on record. I got back into Phoenix, it was 117 degrees. What's that in centigrade? It's like 40, mid 40s, I guess. Yeah, so figure out the wear, but absolutely awesome. Rode them in all conditions, rode them off. They were off-road as well. They're a 50/50 tire. Torrential rain, because they're natural rubber, perfect grip in the rain. Not like your hide nows that you get in the rain and they want to slide out from under you. These are perfect. So just a quick FYI on MotoZ GPS tires, and it's on, for reference, it's a 2021 T7 Tenere, and loaded down with luggage. I had camping the whole way.